Now look at this, y'all. Right in camera, girl. This is the color with the Gungo pea soup fair. And some people love Volpa Gungo, you know. If you have somebody who love Volpa Gungo, you can put a couple more Gungo to it. And you have to watch your sweet potato and your dasheen. If you see like them get too soft, you can take them out and cover them up and when it's near, you put them back in. But that's why you say I don't cut them too small. Don't try to cut the sweet potato and the dasheen them too small. Alright. Now, look at what is happening right here. May have some thinly sliced onions, some finely chopped. I chop the scallion and celery. I'm gonna have some time. I take off the big old rough stick them, just these. Alright, so I'm gonna have some thinly sliced onions, finely chopped scallion, and some thin finely chopped celery. So I'm gonna put right in fresh, nice herbs to match up with the fresh, nice herbs to match up with the fresh green gungo. Alright. Now chop your flame a bit right here. Yeah. I have 2 pegs of garlic. May I go grate them off. Careful when you do it, it might drop. But if you drop in the pot, you have to make it go on. That's how the thing set, Yeah. Okay. I have half stick of butter, but I just might just use about half of it. Not gonna use all. Look at niceness and look at meloniness to that thing, yeah. Yes, sir. Good, sir. And look here. We're going to get a stir. This is what I go on my pot. Yes, sir. Good, sir. Shoot them up the camera, girl. Shoot them up. This is the color what the green gungo soup must have. This is green gungo soup. So look here. This is the icing atop the cake. So I'm going to put it right here. With the stem, you must have a green scotch bonnet with the stem up. And you leave it right there. Try not to let it burst, but let it stay there and let the heat take it. And then now, the flavor will just go right from cover the pot. See how the soup stay here? Now we're going to leave it for about 10 to 12 minutes more. Because by that time, everything should be ready. But look at it. This is how it looks. We want it with a little more body. Put the camera on me. So in order for you to get it with the body, you got to do some stirring. You don't need to mix no cornstarch to put in it to get body. With all the dasheen and the dumpling and the green gungo doesn't have a lot of gum as the red peas. I do agree. But with the dasheen and the dumpling, yeah, we are gonna give it a little stirring constantly, about 3 to 4 times. Serious stirring. Look at this. Clockwise stirring. Stir it with some love, okay, y'all? Not okay, okay. Clockwise, the power. Stir it. So you stir it and you leave it. Try not to stay near to the sweet pepper with the green pepper with the spoon. So you get it burst, Nice patavungo soup. So a few times in. Nice strong clockwise stirring to get the body up. Yes, we can go down a little bit. So it's not a medium, like a semi-low, not fully low, little less than medium. Yeah, man. You're going to taste now. But I'm going to get the full flavor, you know. Till when you ask you about the second time, so you're going to taste now for the flavor that you're trying to get. Good, sir. First and foremost, for me, I don't want any salt. The flavor from the pork bone, the corned beef, and the coconut milk, yeah, and the herbs, them are wait now if you take off with everybody. When you see me next, you know say what? Green gungo soup over the one. Ready?